everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we have this construction cars which are very nice, and look at the colors, they're all yellow and grey.
So this one goes up and down. So this goes up and down, and this one goes up and down as well. This one goes up and then down, and this one goes like swinging like that, and then just like that, and then this one just that, and then
This is where clay, you can collect clay and then you can make it like this. Let's drive them around, shouldn't we?
yeah.
Let me put some clay. Now let's break the building. Let me go here and let me just collect some sand.
Now I'm gonna get all of the mud. Oh,
These are very helpful, aren't these? So guys, these are really helpful, and these are very fun to play with. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells for new video updates. And have a good day. Bye bye.